Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download photos in bulk through the Telegram application. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, is enter the chat or the conversation of the contact that provided you with these photos, just like that. And after that, simply tap on one of the photos that have been sent to you, just like that. And what you want to do after that is you can either browse through these photos by swiping to the left or to the right, just like that. So if you'd like to download all 5 of them, in this case here it's 5 photos have been sent in bulk, simply do the following. Tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and choose Save to Gallery from the drop-down menu. And after that, Telegram will ask you whether you would like to download only the one photo you're currently viewing or all photos in bulk. So you can tap, for example, on that option here, all 5 photos. And as you see, Telegram will instantaneously and automatically download all of these photos in bulk and save them in your device's gallery. So let me head over to my device's gallery to show you that this has indeed worked. And there you go, as you can see, all 5 photos have been successfully saved on my device. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.